The company culture here is based on 5 core values, and the goal is that every current or future employee aligns well with these core values. Coast HVAC is a local heating, air conditioning, and electrical firm providing solutions for homeowners throughout the seacoast. East Coast was established in 1986 by my dad, Mark Robitaille. He ran the business until he passed away in 2005. At that time, my brother-in-law and I took the business over, and since then, it's grown from just a few employees up to almost 50 at this point. On the HVAC side, we service residential customers in existing homes for maintenance, demand service, also installation of HVAC systems. And then we also have a commercial department that specializes in mill renovations, multi-residential installs, and commercial buildings up to several 100,000 square feet. We also offer the EC Electric brand, which provides electrical services to both residential and small business clients. We retain our customers really well because I think they genuinely enjoy doing business with us. I can even think back to customers when I was in the field and used to go to people's homes. I remember their names and their pets and their family. Everybody on our team is trying their best to take care of our customers, their home, their mechanical systems in an honest way, in a fair way. And I think that really shows through with no matter which one of our technicians is in your home or who you speak to on the phone, we're all on the same page and supporting our customers in that way. Through so many years of installing HVAC systems, we've tried pretty much all of the manufacturers. What I realized later with that experience was that it was way more valuable for us to focus and align with a couple key manufacturers for a few reasons. One is our installers get better and more efficient at installing them, and also aligning ourselves with manufacturers that have great local customer support for any time there is an issue or a challenge, so that we know we can take care of our customers and have the manufacturer behind us. We do repair and service any type of equipment, but for installations, we've aligned with Mitsubishi as a elite Diamond Contractor and also with Rheem as one of their local pro partners. Our customers can feel confident that if they choose to do business with us, they've picked a really dependable firm that's local, established, we're not going anywhere. We know it's scary sometimes if you don't have heat or air conditioning in your home, and no matter what time of day or night, we're available to take care of our customers and make sure that we provide the solutions that you need. One of the most important things to me as we've grown this business has been having happy employees, having positivity. When that's all vibing, I really enjoy that, and that puts a smile on my face. And now at our new headquarters here, it's just a great environment, a place that we can all be proud of to come to work. I think it just fosters a great team environment here. My vision of the future of East Coast is to continue growing our staff and customer base while maintaining that company culture we have and that great customer experience that people have grown to expect here. So if you're a local homeowner who needs heating, air conditioning, or electrical services, we look forward to working with you and supporting you to keep you comfortable in your home.